Constructive criticism. Naranasan mo na bang magsabi sa tao na, "You're such a liar. Napakasinungaling mo." Parang ang sakit, no? Tara, ibayin natin. Subukan natin yung ibang pamamaraan kung paano sabihin na, "You're such a liar." Okay, let's try. So, pwede pala natin sabihin to. "I've noticed some inconsistencies in your statement. Can you help me understand what's going on?" Or, so ito naman yung isa. "I'm having trouble trusting the information you've shared. Can you provide more details or evidence to clarify?" Yan. So, instead of saying, "Napakasinungaling mo, you're such a liar," so you can try this one. Pero you can also make your own. Ikaw, paano mo sasabihin sa tao na, "Hey, you're such a liar. Napakasinungaling mo," in a good way?